Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. On Tuesday this week, we were treated to the very surreal sight of President Trump giving a press conference in the White House. This was basically in order to prove that he was still alive, because he hadn't been seen in public for over a week, which is very unusual for such a narcissist who's basically lived his whole life in the public eye and who clearly loves attention. As a result of not being seen, there were, predictably, endless rumours swirling round that he was dead. And he obviously wanted to put a stop to those rumours. If you talk about things swirling round, it basically means that they're spreading or circulating among a group of people, usually as a result of something that's happened. Or in Trump's case, something that hasn't happened, like not appearing in public. If you think of a whirlpool where water swirls around, it's the same kind of idea. So there are often rumours swirling around about somebody being on the brink of dying or somebody being on the brink of retiring. Maybe with some artists, there's a lot of controversy swirling round about their ideas or their statements or about their work. Maybe there are lots of accusations and sometimes counter-accusations swirling round in government. There might be speculation swirling round that a company is on the brink of going bankrupt, for example. And you also often hear about uncertainty swirling round, rumours swirling round, scandal swirling round, and stories swirling round. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use swirl round.